Hello, good morning. Welcome, everyone. Here I am at the Cordova Postal and Recreation Center, and I see the Villages is cleaning the pickleball courts. They're blowing the leaves off of it. I wanted to provide you with a short update of the Villa Marbella neighborhood. That is a family swimming pool that's located adjacent to the Villa Marbella neighborhood right there. I am in the northern part of the Villages, right off of Morse Boulevard. That is Morse Boulevard there. This is your family swimming pool. All these facilities have been built in the last couple of years. For those new to the channel, welcome. My name is Tim. I do Villages related content. The Villages is a 55 plus community located here in Central Florida. And this neighborhood I have done a series of videos on. You can refer to them on my channel. This is a unique neighborhood of courtyard villa homes. They are made of concrete, tilt wall construction. The walls are made in a factory, shipped to the job site, and put into place using a crane. And these homes, this neighborhood is unique because they are new homes that have been built in the northern part of the Villages. Most of your new homes are built in the southern part of the Villages nowadays. This is the former site of the Hacienda Hills Golf and Country Club. The developer demolished the country club because it was in poor condition. And that developer built 24 new homes. And they have a welcome home sign on this home right here, 1232 Cadiz. I believe this was the last home sold in this neighborhood. And look at what the Villages does. They have a welcome home. So glad you're here. You buy a home and they welcome you with open arms. What are you waiting for? When are you moving to the Villages? They are welcoming you with welcome signs. That home there has a pending sign in the window. All these homes are pending. Based on the website that I saw this morning, it is Monday morning, there's only one home that is not pending. And I wanted to show you that home. I think that home may have come back. Maybe the deal fell through. And I wanted to give you a heads up that there may be one home coming back to the market. If you're interested in any of these homes, you will need to work with a Villages real estate representative. And all of these homes in this neighborhood are listed as pending except for one home. One home is left with no identification. It's not pending. It doesn't show sold. And I suspect maybe that home, the deal fell through. Or maybe not. Or maybe the home is sold. Maybe it was the very first home sold. It's this home right here. And based on that, I think this home is sold, even though the website doesn't identify it as pending. Is it possible that they already closed the deal and the new owner is already living in it? I see dishes. I see garbage. So my guess is that home is sold and the owner is in the process of moving in. I also wanted to give you an update of a video that I did yesterday. And it's a correction. of what I said in the video yesterday. I did a video yesterday, I released it yesterday, of the Villa neighborhood. And that's a neighborhood located in Water's Edge. It's a village in the southern part of the villages. It is a patio villa neighborhood. I did a walk and talk video yesterday, and I misspoke. In the video, I indicated that the villages are putting granite countertops in all their new homes. That is not true. I misspoke. The villages is putting quartz countertops in all new homes. So I wanted to make sure that everybody knew that I did misspeak in that video yesterday that I did in the Sheila Villas. And that video was entitled, "Should I Pay Off My Bond or Not?" That's the title of the video. So a village's sales representative did tell me that the new homes they are building, all of them will have quartz countertops, not granite, and composite plank flooring. And she told me that they are getting quantity discounts from their supplier on quartz and composite flooring. And that's what they're going to be putting in all new homes. They are still, and there was another subscriber who commented about the flooring, and the composite plank flooring is waterproofed. I did verify that with the sales representative. So the composite plank flooring they're putting in these homes is very similar to luxury vinyl plank flooring. And that's one thing you need to realize when you are putting plank flooring in your home, whether it's a new home or whether it's a remodel of a pre-owned home. Some of the plank flooring is waterproof and some is not. And if you are putting plank flooring in a bathroom, you'd want waterproof flooring because water will damage wood. And from what I was told, that the composite plank flooring that Villages is using in these new homes is waterproof. I'll walk behind these homes and show you. These homes on this side of Cadiz Terrace do face a golf course. It is the Hacienda Hills Championship Golf Course. So I wanted to bring you the video to show you one last time the Villa Marbella neighborhood, and also to correct something I said in yesterday's video, that the Villages is putting quartz countertops in. Quartz countertops, I think, is a little bit better because it's not as porous as granite. It's easier to clean. I think it's actually a higher end finish than granite. This is the back of the home. This is your Hacienda Hills Championship Golf Course. So there you have it. All the homes in the Villa Marbella neighborhood are listed as pending. And the one home that has no status on the villages.com website map, that looks like it's sold and somebody's already moving in. I do appreciate you watching my videos and subscribing. Sharing the videos with your friends is always nice. I do appreciate it. Happy Monday. Have a great week. Have a great holiday season. Be safe, everyone. Take care.